It's a video. Beep, 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 beep.
People do that.
Beep. This is my mother.
I wonder why my feet are freezing.
Because it's cold. The air's on. You see the air's on. I think it's kind of funny because like the little thingies up there, it don't work. It's just going down the road. Don't work. Going down the road. Shots up.
She had it on the
going down the road.
That's why the feet thing.
Hi everybody. We are going to see Eclipse! Woo!
So Kyla, stop looking at me.
I'm looking at both of y'all.
What's up there?
Hey! Beep, 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 beep!
That's my ear.
That's car.
That's my ear.
Beep, beep, beep! Beep!
I'm gonna get so loud.
Meow. Hey, what's that dead thing in the road? You see it? You see it?
Armadillo.
Ooh, it's the armadillo! Woo! Hey! Hi, car. Beep, 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 beep.
This is a chipmunk.
Under God, indivisible. Oh. I forgot the fucking believe it.
How fast is it going?
What's she doing? Oh my God. Beep, 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 beep. Okay.